FB10 ba? Pag-internet, hindi brander ako.
Natulog ako, yawa ka.
Natulog daw, pero nagano'n sila po. Naginom ko, yeah!
Nakabaya ka days, mate.
Uy.
Wala ito.
So ayan na may boses na po ba? Ayan, hindi na po ba FB10? Ayan, okay na. Okay. Go. Buksan na natin yung regalo ni Shafe.
Akit si Angel. Andiyan ba si Angel? Okay. Ito yung gift ni Shafe. Oh my God!
Shafe, Chafelron. Wow! Ang ganda! Perfect.
Naka-heels ako.
Let's open!
Wag, hindi na-open. Tanga. It's just...
Kung makatanga ka.
It's just that. May bubble wrap lang siya sa loob.
Pwede tanggalin yung bubble wrap?
Huwag kasali siya.
No.
Thank you so much, Shafe.
Thank you so much, Chafelron. Hana, Kiana with a K.
Iconic.
Iconic.
Iconic. Okay, next. Next today once more. Danger! Tell me! Andiyan si Angel Galang? OMG! BFF!
Ayan na.
Si BFF, may show siya ngayon sa Hosik, so baka pumunta din ako.
Ano yun galing? Ay, ito yung binigay sa akin. May fans na ito pala. Ito yun, regalo niya sa akin paglabas ko sa Vice. Binigyan niya ako ng ganito. Hello, ang cute. Thank you.
Good morning. The best target is always shining ahead and you have to keep approaching it day and night. 100% more than yesterday.
And parang ito sa'yo.
What's that? What's the next gift?
This one. Kiana from Ange. And
Pupunta kayo na Hosik ngayon? Ngayon ba yun? Oo.
tignan mo.
From Ange?
Ayan.
Okay, let's open
Open
this.
mo. Si Ange yung gumagawa ng mga...
Stickers.
Ay, parang hindi pala.
Parang may ipis sa ilong. Ipis ba yan? O?
Saan ba?
Natanggal yung ipis.
Nawala na yun.
Tanggal yung ipis, Day. Ay! Second try yan. Tsaka
Akin yan. Akin to. Akin to. Akin to. Akin to. Sa'yo na si Kiana. Yan talaga si Kiana yung Orofish. Sa'yo yan, go.
From the moment I heard your story on Drag Race, there was only one thing I wanted to do when I met you. Give you a warmest and longest hug. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Ange. I hope this small gift brings you joy. Super joy. Thank you, Ange.
Thank you, Ange. And this is for you, love, Sarah.
Sarah G? What's wrong with her? Ay! Sa Pampanga pa pala to. Look at that! Tan tarararara, tataratatatan, tan tarararara.
Ay, dalawa pala tayo binigyan ng ganito. Yan. So, let's cheers for
The ones that
more
we got.
blessing and let's cheers for good health and let's cheers for me yun na, iba din sa'yo. Let's cheers for more travel.
Ako naman, let's cheers. Because we are so cheerful. And thank you so much from this heavens from above that we are able to be what we wanted to be. And I just wanted to be to be. Dito ka, dyan ako. Ganun siya. Dapat dalawang ikot. Dalawang ikot dapat siya. Okay! Next! Next one tayo!
Nagkulab, oy. Bulot mong ko, oy. And we have from Althea Jurin to Kiana.
Aww. Thank you so much.
Althea, thank you.
Sino ba mga nanonood dyan? Hello guys.
Hi, 743 viewers. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at dahil dyan na-miss namin kayong lahat at syempre na-miss nyo kami so kailangan kami ng pera.
From Kiana. Dear Kiana, thank you for being my biggest inspiration. You will be in my heart until the end and keep slaying on stage and I hope you like my gift even though it's simple. Don't say that.
Yes.
Simple or grand gift. Basta pinag-isipan yung bilhin.
Yes.
And
at saka,
to the point na nasa isipan nyo ako, that means so much to us, kami ni Kevin, because
simplicity is beauty.
And of course, simplicity is just like, it's just
It's just like, okay,
Just like
buksan natin.
Ah!
Alam niyo ba na tatlo nang may ganun kami?
Aww. It's the moon. If the moon refused to shine, baby, will I still be alive? Heard you and needed the moon. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, ano. Sino bigyan ito?
And for our last gift,
Althea, thank you.
and for our last gift for today, for this evening, ay from
Ange. Asan na imong gift? Wala lagi.
Wala na.
Imong nag-open?
Kasi madami na yun. Sayang din may mga pagkain. Go.
Ay! Kian, oh my god, ito pala yung sticker. Andito lahat ng season 3, Tita Baby. Oh. Ay, Kianik, huh? Hi, Kiana. First saw you sa Vice Comedy Club and kung saan ko din sa'yo to inabot. But yun, watching you give me so much strength. I've been struggling with, yes, ever since when, and nawala yung spark. Nawala yung spark sa buhay ko because of that.
Alo, ang cute.
Yeah.
Alo, ang cute ng mga stickers.
Kaya ko ba ngayon magbasa? Happiness like no other. You guys give me confidence to freely express myself. Sana mabasa mo to. Idol kita so much. Continue being a superstar. The world will know your name is Kiana. I love you. Ow! Okay, perfect.
Thank you, Kai.
Thank you kay Angie or Angge.
Or Ange.
Andiyan ba si Angel? Leche kayo. That's it for today's live, y'all.
Buksan mo muna. Meron
Ay, meron pa pala. Meron pa siyang... Ay! Salamin na may star sa gilid. Parang wala akong makita.
Tanggalin mo muna yan. At saka may wafer.
And...
Papakain ko to kay Cookie.
Uy!
Ay,
Bawal. Chupa
And-
chups. Chupa chups. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this And we have our passport here tonight.
Yes! Finally! 1, 2, 3. We're getting married!
Charot lang. That's my impression of Enchong B. Four Sisters in a Wedding.
Sabi ko na sa'yo.
Ate!
I
Mama! I'm getting married! Passport. Alam mo kung bakit may airplane? Kasi bibili ako ng airplane.
Ayan! So, ayan na siya.
Big thanks to Ate Reg, if you're watching this. Thank you so much.
Kay Jess.
And Jess. And the rest.
And
Si ano pa?
si Loy.
Si Loy. And kasama din namin si Bella.
And me.
And me while getting the passport.
Yeah! Yun nga, diba, sabi ko, more travel and more blessings.
Tsaka alam nyo ba, naayos na yung ano ko, birth certificate? Na hindi inasikaka ng over. Yun lang naman. Huy! Thank you so much, guys! Hi, Rosa! Ayan.
Hi!
Sino pa mga manonood? Passport pic reveal daw. No!
Totoong tao na.
Hi, Just! Ano pa bang meron dito? Hi, Adriana.
Magay ka na sa mga tao para...
Hi, Teen from Las Vegas. Hi, Valerie! Oh my God, Valerie! Sino ba mga tao dito? Princess Nicole. Hi. Hi, Eliza.
Ay!
Napa? My God, muntik mo na nakalimutan, ate.
Nakasuksok man din siya.
Wala na?
Wala na.
Sure?
Oo.
This? Ano to? Ay, may gift pa. What is this? Kiana from Iona. It's a, what do you call this one? It's something like that. Para sa phone or something. And then, meron din siya laruan.
Tignan natin.
Ay.
O, diba? Sabi ko pang-apat na yan. Oo.
Anong planet naman to?
Kanta ka naman ulit.
Ay, masabog siya. Galaxy.
Ay, laylahay din siya.
Iba-iba siya.
Hi, JM. That's CJR. Hello, Clan_G2. Hi. Eliza. None is lost. Baby.
Hi.
Crazy for you.
Moon River.
Hi, we're Jekka. Batchmate, hello.
Nori, hello.
Eliza Marie Monsale. Hello.
Thank you so much for the...
Cheryl Lim. Hi.
Oh my
Kuya.
God,
I
sister,
miss
are you
both.
there? Hello, how are you? Okay. So next,
Wala na. Ayan na.
and thank you
Tapos
so much guys for watching this live. I hope, yeah. And this is it.
Bye!
Bye muna. Pahinga na ako.
See you sa Hosik.
Uy.
Ay, di pala. Bye!
Bye!
Preni ko.
Preni Kokak!
Preni ko!
Kokak! Kamusta ka, Preni Kokak? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're fine. Like a fine dining restaurant. I will be ending this live now. Hi.
Cute ni. Ba't ang sinisang phone?
This one? Wag, it needs to be ano lang.
Design?
Yeah, parang yun lang siya. Ang cute niya naman. Para siyang Roblox, dude. Cute. See you sa Hosik. Ay, shit. Okay. Okay. Renny Kokak! Ingat! Pero di ako magtatagal kasi may lakad me tomorrow. So, mag-hi-hello lang ako sa inyo. Kasi I missed you guys. Bye-bye!